Hi, this is Jo.
And this is Vicky. And we've been drinking, not much, in moderate. I mean, this is our first glass. But
Moderately drinking.
Yes, moderately drinking.
2 New Years.
2 years. Yes. Oh, okay. Mine's louder. So anyway, as you can see behind us, we want to talk about products you can trust. And we would be really interested to know, what is it that, how do you choose the products that you buy, say from the supermarket or anywhere?
Yes, what's your criteria? Like
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah. Is
Let's-
economy
yeah.
number one? Is that they're Australian made and owned? Is it that they don't test on animals? Is it the pretty packaging? Whatever. We would really love to know.
The smell.
The smell could be the fragrance. Yes, absolutely. So please let us know what it is that has you make the choice of the products you use.